You're not exhausted. You're donating authority to people who never paid for your attention.
Every scroll and apology becomes a tax, charged straight against your future peace and focus. It is billed in peace and paid in focus when you need it most. Stop paying strangers with your nervous system, because they never refund you respect or relief. Tonight you learn selective coldness, care with purpose, and ignore noise without guilt or shame. You think you're kind, yet you're trading calm for approval, one daily reaction at a time.
That urge to explain yourself isn't integrity. It's fear wearing a polite suit in public.
Validation feels like safety, until it turns you into a tenant begging at tiny doors.
Desperation is visible, and people raise the price of respect the moment they sense it.
First move is financial. Treat attention like currency and spend it with discipline and intent.
Ask one question: will caring here improve outcomes, or simply drain my focus again tomorrow?
If it only drains, close the account. No speeches, no revenge, no extra explanation, ever.
Invest care in skills, health, family, and projects that pay your freedom back with interest.
Leave comment wars to the board. Your life is not a public referendum anymore.
In a room, speak once with clarity, then stop performing for approval from the crowd.
Your brain was built for tribes, not timelines packed with judges and verdicts every hour.
It reads silence as exile, a late text as danger, and a frown as coming death.
That alarm is ancient software, loud and dramatic, and mostly wrong in modern life.
Old code screams danger, while reality stay ordinary, safe, and manageable for you.
Social pain spikes cortisol, yet the threat is usually temporary, distant, and harmless.
When anxiety rises, label it. My threat system is firing, not my wisdom or values.
Separate sensation from reality. A tight chest does not equal catastrophe, failure, or doom.
Slow your breath, drop your shoulders, and watch fear lose authority over your next decision. Then choose behavior by strategy, not by the loudest feeling screaming inside you.
A sharp email is not a tiger. It's a task to answer cleanly and move forward.
Reply with facts, then let the rest fade without chasing closure, approval, or victory. Trap, you think every insult demands a response to protect honor and social standing.
Mechanism. Status players bait you publicly, hoping your reaction feeds their appetite and power.
Reaction is agreement. It proves. Their words can steer your inner weather and posture.
Disdain is different. You don't fight the fly. You move, and you stay untouched.
Execution. Pause, blink slowly, and return to your work like nothing happened at all.
No smirk, no eye roll, no performance, just non-participation and calm control in silence.
Silence creates a vacuum. Manipulators panic when they cannot grip you emotionally anymore.
Your calm makes them carry their own chaos alone, without your help or permission.
Beat 2-second silence. A chess king stands unmoved. One pawn falls. Micro example. A coworker needles you. You answer the task, not the jab or tone. Later, you document facts and let results outshine gossip, whispers, and theatrics completely. Trap. You spend emotions on what you cannot control. then call it responsibility and maturity.
Mechanism. You confuse worry with action and feel busy while staying powerless and tired.
Worry gives quick dopamine, like busy work, but rarely changes anything outside your mind.
Execution. Ruck an audit. List stressors and score their return with brutal honesty.
Traffic rage returns nothing, so you breathe, play music, and arrive intact and present.
Fear before a presentation helps preparation, but only until the work is actually done.
After preparing, cut the loop, trust practice, and save energy for delivery and presence.
Micro example. Your boss mocks your outfit. You adjust once, then you move on.
Your goal is performance, not admiration. So deliver numbers, not insecurity or pleading.
Bank care for your mission, not for other people's moods, opinions, or fragile egos.
Trap. You confuse attachment with love and panic with commitment to results and identity.
Mechanism. When you care too much, your hands shake and precision collapses under pressure. Think of a surgeon. Calm beats compassion when the blade must stay steady and exact.
Execution. Care intensely about process. Loosen your grip on outcomes and keep moving.
Set standards for actions. Show up, practice, repeat, then let results unfold over time.
If failure arrives, learn, adjust, rebuild, faster than your doubts can spread through you.
Micro example. You pitch a client. You focus on structure, timing, and calm clarity.
If they decline, thank them, log feedback, and contact the next lead immediately.
Detachment protects momentum. Attachment turns one rejection into a week-long spiral of doubt. Beat 2 seconds silence, a calm lake surface, then a single ripple disappears.
Most people will hate you for this. Strong minds seek respect, not approval or comfort.
Trap. You become your emotion, saying, I am angry, I am ruined, I am nothing.
Mechanism. Feelings fuse with identity and hijack the wheel when pressure closes in.
Execution. Shift to observation. There is anger in my body. There is fear too.
Now emotion becomes data, not a command, and strategy returns to the seat.
Visualize a theater. Your life plays on screen. You sit in the audience watching. Watch the character react, then choose the smartest move with cool distance and patience.
Micro example. Your manager shouts. You notice heat rising and lower volume inside.
You ask one clarifying question, then let their storm burn out without defense or debate.
Who did you picture when I said energy vampire? Leave a dot if you're ready.
Trap. You hope for the best while secretly fearing the worst every single day.
Mechanism. Hope disguises fear. You need outcomes to feel safe, worthy, and steady.
Execution. Face the dark. Imagine losing comfort, status, or certainty. Then breathe slowly.
Say it plainly. If that happens, I will handle it, and I will survive.
Acceptance removes leverage. Threats lose teeth when you already rehearsed them in private. Micro example. Before a review meeting, you visualize criticism and practice calm posture.
You prepare a measured response and a plan for any decision outcome they choose.
If they demote you, you pivot, upgrade skills, and search with discipline, not panic.
If they praise you, stay grounded and keep building without swelling pride or ego.
Either way, you walk in weightless, because identity is not on trial anymore.
Trap. You say yes to avoid guilt, then resent everyone for your own choice later. Mechanism. Nice people get rewarded, then quietly exploited by takers who feel entitled.
Execution. Separate action from attachment. Be polite without surrendering your control or respect.
Say no in one sentence. No justification, no courtroom defense, no bargaining, no pleading.
Your nervous system will race, let it. That's training, not danger or collapse.
Well, that's one way to look at it.
But honestly, I'm much more interested in trying this dessert wine.
If they insist, excuse yourself and refuse to feed the fight for their entertainment.
At work, extra tasks appear. You ask priorities and protect deadlines with calm firmness.
Boundaries aren't cruelty. They're architecture for a stable mind and clear direction long term.
People who profit from weakness will call you cold. Accept it and keep moving.
Trap. You chase validation in love, work, and friendships until you look needy.
Mechanism. Scarcity makes you beg, and begging invites disrespect, control, and cheap tests.
Execution. Detachment signals abundance. You can walk away, so leverage shifts toward you.
Hold a take it or leave it posture, calm, respectful, and unthreatened in tone.
Micro example. In a salary talk, state your terms, then stop talking completely.
Silence forces the other side to reveal their hand without you pleading or chasing.
If they underpay, decline cleanly, keep options open, and feel no resentment at all.
In dating, show interest, but never audition for basic decency and respect from anyone.
People chase what does not chase them. Autonomy feels rare in crowded worlds.
Neediness repels, discipline attracts, and your life grows quieter by design over time.
Trap. You cling to one outcome, one role, one path, and call it destiny forever. Mechanism. Rigidity makes you hammer locked doors while open windows stay ignored beside you.
Execution. Marry the mission, not the method. Stay fluid when chaos hits hard.
Choose direction. Accept reroutes. Never make them personal failures or insults to ego.
Micro example. Your startup stalls. Keep vision. Change strategy fast without shame or pride.
Cut costs, test offers, and move where demand actually lives, not where you wish.
When friends mock your pivot, ignore them. They pay neither bills nor risk.
Care about execution this week, not applause next year, and protect your momentum.
Power is adaptability. The strong bend without breaking when fortune turns cold without warning.
Flexibility makes disappointment impossible. Only redirection remains as your unfair advantage now.
Freedom costs one thing: willingness to be disliked by people who live on drama.
Build an inner fortress. Fire the committee in your head, and rule your choices alone.
This week, choose one trigger. Refuse to pay it with attention, apologies, or explanations.